I teach first grade in the Tacoma School District at Grant Center for the Expressive Arts. And we're one of the first innovative schools in Tacoma School District. The multiple intelligences, which is a huge piece of being able to reach every kid every day. Not all kids learn the same way. And us as teachers and craft makers, we need to be able to reach every single student. I had a girlfriend who finished her educational leadership at WGU. She sent me information and I ended up calling WGU and talked to somebody, and the next thing I knew I was getting myself set up for the enrollment interview, and I thought, well, I'm in it now. The information that I learned at WGU to help me where I'm at with teaching and my admin interning, everything was applicable because the way the questions were worded, it was things that you're already doing, but it really makes you think and dig as to reasons why things are the way they are. When I've been doing my educational leadership program and my internship, I've been part of the planning and construction and helping be on the building design. So we're getting a new building, but having something where you have a place where not only staff believes in it and believes every kid can learn, that's the kind of school I want. I want everybody to be a part of that building.